Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to see the quiz 5 in general knowledge. Let's start the class. The first topic is the literature. First one, fill in the blanks. Do not keep chopping and dash. The changing is the answer. Don't keep the chopping and changing. There are some do's and don'ts to be followed while working on the project. Yeah, all the work we are having some rules, do's and don'ts. Do not submit your assignment in bits and pieces, and don't submit anything what you are going to give to other. Don't submit it to that small pieces. Just fulfill that, then you have to submit to others. She keeps going to and dash between Pune and Mumbai. She is going to between that Pune and Mumbai. The answer is fro. Carefully observe the sign and dash used while solving the problem. You should carefully observe the sign and the symbols while you are solving the problem. What are the problem you are solving? You should observe that symbols and then sign. The second is the mathematics and science. The first question is biomass. The biomass is matter obtained from living things. It gets from the living things. Petroleum is called another name of the petroleum is the black gold. It is an expensive thing, so it called as the black gold. Fossil, found buried in the layers of earth. We can found it that layers of earth. Thousands of years ago, the living things such as the trees and the animals, or the dead trees and animals are made of that rock. It is found at the earth. It is called the fossil. Kerosene is called the liquid fuel. And this is the mathematics and the science. The first sum is the square root of 8 into 18. The answer is the square root of 144. The square root of 144 is equal to 12. And then the square root of 6 into 54. The answer is the square root of 324. The square root of 324 answer is 18. Then third one is the square root of 32 by 98. It is called the 4 by 7. And then the square root of 243 by 75. The answer is the 9 by 5. And then the square root of 45 into 5. The answer is the 225. The square root of 225. The answer of 225 square root of 225 is 15. Social studies. State power is sovereign and separated from religion. No religion is defined as state religion. Citizens of all faiths are treated equally by the state. All the citizens enjoy freedom of worship. Equal respect for all religious groups. The state, the government, the religion is not involved the government ideas. The government is not treated by the treated the people by the religion. Not treated harsh the people. Everyone is equal depending on the government. Everyone is equal, and the state religion or anything is not depend on that one. State is not the state or the government. Anything, it does not depend on one religion. The citizens of their faiths, the governments are giving the equal responsibility for the citizens' faiths. And then all the citizens are all the citizens having the freedom of the worship. This is also the rights. And then general knowledge. We are going. They gave the picture and they give some clues. We are going to find the names of the picture. The first is the Abhinav Bharat, who said that. Veer Savarkar, he said that Abhinav Bharat. And second is the Bhudan movement. Bhudan movement is said by Vinoba Bhave. And the third is the Bardoli peasant movement. It is said by Vallabhbhai Patel. Upliftment of Dalits. It is said by Baba Sahib Ambedkar. And then Quit India movement. It is said by the Mahatma Gandhi. And thank you all for watching this video.